wizard.
All right. Good morning, everyone. Hope you're all going to have a great day today. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. So Bitcoin has come back up, back to our resistance at this 0.5 here at $118,000. Right now on the 10-minute, look at this money flow. VWAP shooting straight down. Looks like money flow is also pointing to the downside here. And if we're going to lose this daily VWAP with money flow coming out, I would expect us to have a daily leapfrog down to our previous day, which actually happened to be a weekly leapfrog as well. I would expect us to come down from our daily. If we're going to lose our daily, I would expect us to at least come down to our previous day VWAP. Now, we might even come down to the weekly, see a little bounce back to the daily, and reject back down before completing the leapfrog. But if we're going to lose this with money flow coming out on this 10-minute, that would be the move I'm looking for. And if we're not going to hold that previous day, we know we have this monthly that's already caught us a few times here in the past as well. Came right down to it. Nice deep green bottom, green fucking dot bottom here as we come down to this monthly, and it just shot right back up to our resistance here at this 0.5. Now, if we are going to bounce from here, when we see this money flow just curve up, VWAP curves up, we get another green dot after this red dot. This red dot's definitely coming with this zero line crossover. We're going to have to get above 100, and we'll just call it 119. We'll have to reclaim 119 if we can even think about going higher. 15-minute red dot just had a green dot followed immediately after with a red dot, and I don't like the way the 1 hour looks. VWAP's flatlining. I don't like how the candle looks. We got a red dot. Now VWAP's starting to kind of come down. VWAP is not VWAP money flow. Money flow is starting to point downwards. I think it was the 12-hour I was really looking at. We made a higher low here on the 12-hour. We are getting the green dot. Money flow is coming up. Now, this could take a while. But if we're not going to make a higher high here, if we see this thing just start to fall off, and we don't make a higher high, switching to bullish market structure as we made a higher low here, then I would expect us to probably dump down to our previous monthly before going higher. If we're gonna continue bearish on this 12-hour market structure by making a lower low, I would just expect the monthly to be in play if we're not gonna make higher highs off of these next couple of 12-hour candles here. I'm not sure what the daily is looking like today. Rejection off of that zero line there. VWAP is continuing to the downside. Money flow is pointing down on the 2-day. We do have the VWAP coming up on the daily. Looks like she wants to cross over that zero line and give us a green dot. Money flow is coming up, but we can see the green dot be followed immediately after by the red dot. We got the green dot. We got a little moves to the upside. We hit our head on that Fibonacci. Now we've come down. Weekly is looking to pinch. She wants to pinch. There's a bit of a curve to the upside on this VWAP right now, but we can see that red dot wants to pinch before too long. And the monthly. I've been keeping an eye on the monthly because of this VWAP, the way the VWAP looks like. She could, whenever this closes at the end of the day, she could just shoot straight up, but it looks like she wants to come down to the downside and potentially start clipping. No time soon. It'll probably be another month, maybe even 2, before it actually confirms that red dot. But if we are going to go down towards this zero line, that monthly is going to start clipping on nothing but three things of bear divs. Okay, the 3 bear divs here on momentum, money flow, VWAP. So I'm gonna be watching this VWAP later today on price reset whenever that candle resets. So these are the levels I'm watching. To the upside, we know we got to get above 119,000, and if we get above 119,000, really flipping 100, I'd expect a resistance. I would expect a rejection at 120,000 too. And if we're gonna go higher, we need to, after we reject off 120,200, I would look to bounce back off this 0.5 to continue higher. And if we're not gonna get above 119k and flip this as support, and we lose our daily VWAP here, looks better on the 15, I think. We lose our daily, like I said, with money flow coming out on the 10. I would expect a leapfrog down to our previous day, which would complete not only a weekly leapfrog, and like I said, we could just come down to the weekly, bounce back to the daily, and then dump down. And if we don't hold the previous day, then the monthly at 116k would definitely be in play. And then we have a couple of levels down here at 111, 110 that would be the next stop if we are going to lose this monthly at 116k. But these are the levels I'm watching. I hope everyone has a great day. God bless all of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing my content. I appreciate all of you. God bless. I'm out.